Question number 3. What are the solutions for the quadratic equation 4x plus 3 equals 2x squared? So I'm going to get started by subtracting 2x squared from both sides of the equation. So we have the right hand side equal to 0. Then I can bring down the 2x squared, rather than negative 2x squared, and the 4x as well as the 3. Okay, now we have the equation in this format, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we can use the quadratic formula to solve for x. So a is negative 2, b is 4, and c is 3. Okay, so we have negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, I like to open parentheses for each letter essentially before I plug them in. So all over 2 times a. Now I can plug in all the letters. The b is 4, and we have plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we can just simplify. So we have negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 times negative 4, 24. All over 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Okay, so we have negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 40. 16 plus 24, 40. All over negative 4. And now, note one important thing. The square root of 40, I can simplify this. I can make it into a mixed radical. Why is that? Because 40 is 4 times 10. So I can break it down into square root of 4 times square root of 10. And the root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 root 10. Okay. So here we have negative 4 plus or minus 2 root 10 all over negative 4. So what I can do here is actually factor out a negative 2 up top. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is 2. Then we have plus or minus 2 divided by negative 2 is just negative 1. But since we have the plus or minus, we don't have to worry about the signal here. So we have 1 root 10. So just take away the 1 because it's invisible right there. And we still have everything over negative 4. Then I can divide top and bottom by, surprise, surprise, negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. And negative 4 divided by negative 2 is 2. So now the answer is 2 plus or minus the square root of 10 over 2. So the answer is D. And we're done.